Hello, this is an AtlasHR tutorial on requesting changes to your timesheet. So we'll start by going into a timesheet. There are two ways to get there. If you have the clock widget on your main screen here, you can click My Timesheet, or yours might say My Clock, to jump in there. The other way, through the menu in the My Info section, My Time, Timesheet, Current Timesheet, that's another way to get there. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to jump in by clicking the link. So now I'm looking at my timesheet. Most employees are not able to edit their own timesheets, so if you have a correction that needs to be made, like you forgot to punch in or you punched in at the wrong time, you have to contact your supervisor and ask them to make the change. But there's a really quick and easy way to do that. So let's say on Tuesday, I punched in at 10 o'clock, but I forgot to punch when I arrived. I actually arrived at 9. So I can submit a change request and say on Tuesday, I need to modify a punch in. Tuesday, and I'm going to click the time here, say instead of 10 I need that to be 9, and I can say forgot to punch in when I arrived, and then I'll submit that change. So that sends a request directly to whoever approves my timesheet, and all they have to do is click approve and that change is made. So it makes it a really quick process. There are other types of change requests, so you can add in a punch. So if you completely forgot to punch, there isn't a punch to modify, you can add in a punch from scratch. You can add in an entire time entry, so a start and an end time. So if you didn't punch in or out, you can say I need to punch in at 9 and a punch out at 5 on whatever date you want. And of course you can add in a comment there as well. So there are lots of different types of modifications you can do. And again, this adds some efficiency for you, so you're not emailing a manager the time and the date, and then they're also not having to go in and do it. They just click approve and the change is done. So that concludes our timesheet change tutorial. Thanks.